Hey everyone, Pamela Curtis here. Welcome back to my channel, Garden Reply. Today I'm showing you my second group of annuals. I'm going to show you more about these particular plants in the next video, but in the meantime I want to show again how to maintain your annuals, especially when you first get them from the garden center. I just maintained and deadhead these particular annuals, and these are geraniums. They are beautiful white geraniums. So this is what they looked like before I did anything to them, and this was after a rain, so there was quite a change in the flowers. And as I mentioned in my previous video, you have two options: pinching with your fingers or using scissors. You want to get right down to the base of the stem of the wilted flower, because as I mentioned to you all before, that stem will turn brown if you just take off the flower. And also do this with the browning leaves. So this is the before and this is the after. You all can see there's quite a difference. There aren't as many flowers, but after we deadhead and maintain and get the dead leaves off, the plant will just rejuvenate and take right off, and the flowers will come back. So like I mentioned to you before, I will do another video on this because this is one of my projects, and it is also one of the collections that I'm including in the gardens with the color white.